A very good morning to all. This is VC from VC's Academy. Today I came with a very good and important topic called human nervous system. So what we will see in this topic today? We will see about what are the compositions of nervous system and what are the functions of it. So let's go into the class. Human nervous system. Nervous system in human beings develop from the ectoderm. So as we know earlier that we have three layers, and out of the three, ectoderm is the one from which the human nervous system is developed. In mammals, nervous system consists of central nervous system and peripheral nervous system, which in short are called as CNS and PNS. The autonomous nervous system comes under PNS, in which conduction of impulse from CNS to cardiac muscle, smooth muscle and glands take place. So ANS or autonomous nervous system comes under PNS, which is peripheral nervous system, in which conduction of impulse from central nervous system to cardiac muscle, smooth muscle and glands take place. The study of nervous system including receptors is called neurology. Coming to CNS or central nervous system. The central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. So I have tried to give the best picture here. In humans, both of them are surrounded by three tissue coverings called meninges, and whereas with only two in amphibians, example frog. So the tissue layers are as follows. The tissue layers or the membranes are Duramater or duramembrane. It is the outer one, tough and fibrous collagenous layer inserted in periosteum of cranium. Arachnoid matter or membrane. It is the middle layer. It is non-vascularized and also called as spider web. Piamater. It is the innermost layer and highly vascularized, and when compared with the other two, it is the most soft of all. Coming to cerebrospinal fluid, which is in short called as CSF. The fluid present in the brain and spinal cord is called cerebrospinal fluid, which is produced by choroid plexus. So the fluid which is present in the brain and spinal cord is called CSF, and this is produced by the choroid plexus. CSF is a colorless fluid similar to the plasma with volume of about 80 to 150 ml in adult. So if you see the color of the cerebrospinal fluid, it is colorless and is similar to that of plasma. Plasma is observed in blood and it has a volume of about 80 to 150 ml in adults. The main function of CSF or cerebrospinal fluid are as follows. The very first one is it absorbs shock or jerk to protect brain and spinal cord. So when jerks or shocks occurs, this protects the brain and spinal cord. And it serves as medium for exchange of nutrients and waste products between blood and nervous system or nervous tissue. It serves as endocrine medium for transport of hormones. So we have listed three important or main functions of CSF. One is it absorbs shocks or jerks to protect the brain and spinal cord. Secondly, it serves as a medium for exchange of nutrients and waste products between the blood and nervous tissue. And finally, It serves as endocrine medium for transport of hormones. And the central nervous system has two types of tissues. So what are those tissues? They are gray matter. So what gray matter contains? Gray matter contains cell bodies, dendrites and axon terminals of neurons are also called as synapses. And white matter contains axons.